Hey everyone! Welcome to A Plus Computer Solutions, your Hikvision partner. Today, I'm diving into why Hikvision is the top pick for both home and business security. From schools and government buildings to your own home, Hikvision has got you covered. First, let's talk about their features. Each camera is tailored to fit different needs and environments. Now, resolutions. Whether you need 1080p, 4K, or something in between, Hikvision has it. Higher resolution means crisper, clearer images, which are crucial for identifying details. Pixels matter too. More pixels equal more detail. Hikvision cameras, ranging from 2MP to 12MP, ensure you won't miss a thing. Night vision? Hikvision excels here with distances up to 100 meters. Perfect for keeping an eye on things when the sun goes down. Power over Ethernet or PoE. Hikvision supports this, making installation a breeze by reducing the need for multiple cables. Pan Tilt Zoom or PTZ functionality lets you control the camera's movement remotely. A game changer for monitoring large areas. Network capabilities are top-notch. Hikvision's robust network ensures stable and secure connections, whether you're on-site or remote. Zoom is another huge plus. Optical zoom up to 25x means you can get up close without losing image quality. So who are these cameras for? Schools, government agencies, businesses, and homeowners. Basically anyone who values security and peace of mind. And the best part? Hikvision cameras are incredibly cost-effective. You get premium features without breaking the bank. So, there you have it. Hikvision provides unparalleled security solutions for any setting. Whether you're protecting students, staff, or loved ones, Hikvision is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more security tips from A Plus Computer Solutions. Stay safe out there.